In this video, we'll see how we can hide cash on delivery to specific location. Here you can see cash on delivery is showing. Now if I change the pin code, then it will be hidden. I will show you because I have added some pin code from backend that from where cash on delivery will not work. Here you can see cash on delivery is not fine. So we'll see how we can do that, how we can hide cash on delivery based on pin code, state, city, all these options for free. Let's go. Here, first log into your admin dashboard of Shopify. Now we'll see how we can set up cash on delivery to specific location. For that, we'll install an app and set up it. So important part is here is how to set up that. Okay, so watch the video. First, we'll install here you can see Payflow cash on delivery and payment flow. It is free for one customization, like one rule. It is free. If you want to add multiple rules, then you need to buy pro version. Okay, so just click on install. Now I will add limitation of cash on delivery to specific pin code. We'll see how we can do that. Just click on create customization. What we will do, hide payment method. Hide. Okay. If here you can see shipping postcode. Enter postcode, for example. You can add postcode as per the then I want to hide cash on delivery. Here you can see you can set like for a specific pin code you don't want to deliver to that location. If you don't want to select pin code, you can also select state. So there is also option of shipping city, or you can select shipping state as per your requirement. Even you can like state. If my state is New Delhi, I don't want to ship show cash on delivery. You can set. Okay, or you can set as pin code. So you can set multiple option as per your requirement. Okay, now save it. We'll see if it is working or not. Go to your online store. First, you need to check that the cash on delivery method is. First, you need to check that the cash on delivery method is enabled. So, in payment, here you can see cash on delivery. I need to activate cash on delivery. Now, one more thing, keep in mind that the shipping is enabled, then it will work. Okay. Now, let's go to front page and see if it is working or not. Okay, we have hide cash on delivery for specific pin code. You can hide for specific state, city as per your requirement. We'll click on add to cart, view cart. I think there are three products. Now click on checkout. Now here you can see address and we'll edit it. Currently you can see you don't see cash on delivery. Why? Even after enabling, because I have added this pin code. Now, because I have disabled cash on delivery for 3 pin code, this one, this, and this. What if I another different pin code? Save it. Now, after changing address, here you can see cash on delivery each address is available. And if I change the pin code, then you can see it will be not available. Here you can see it is not available. So that's why you can hide your cash on delivery option to a specific location. You can hide by pin code, by state, by city. There are multiple options you can set as per your requirement. Okay, here you can see shipping state postcode, or you can select state and type the state name. Or one more thing in pin code, like if you want to hide on multiple pin code, if you want to add all the pin code with same starting point, like 1100 dot star, I want all the pin codes starting with this will be working. Like all the pin codes starting with 1100 will not work for cash on delivery. Let's see. I will go to checkout, refresh it, and any pin code that start with 1100 will not work. I will show you how. Even I 1100, even I add 15 and save it, it will not work. But if I change it to some other pin code, here 111015, now you can see cash on delivery option is available. So that's how you can limit your cash on delivery to a specific location. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.